Hello friends, my name is Vikas. So friends, in this video we will be talking about some of the most important current affairs of the topic important days of November month. This video will be very helpful to you, so do watch the video till the end. So friends, we'll start with our session, but before that we have something important to tell you about. So students, we have an app by the name Careers Cloud which you can go and download using the Play Store, and it is available only for the Android users as of now. Once you have downloaded and opened the app, you will see a page such as the second screen here. Then you just need to log in with your Google ID, or you can say with your Gmail ID on this application, and once you have logged in, you are ready to use the particular application. As you can see, you will be seeing here my course, all courses, crack current affairs. Just click on any of those and you will be directed to a second page. Here now, what are the features or why we recommend you to use the app? Because on the app we provide you daily current affairs both in English as well as in Hindi. Both Hindi and English current affairs are provided you daily along with the quiz sessions. This is important. We provide you daily with the quiz sessions that will help you to brush up your current affairs that you gain today through our video or any other notes provided. These English and Hindi PDFs are also provided to you daily. This is provided on our app course that you can go and purchase. Two types of courses are there, 1 year plan and a second year plan, which you can opt as per your need. Then we provide you with weekly videos, not just weekly videos on YouTube and monthly videos, daily videos are also given. Apart from that, weekly PDFs of current affairs are provided to you. Compiled PDF of current affairs of the whole week will be provided to you both in English as well as in Hindi. Then similarly for the month also, you will be provided a compiled video of the whole month both in English as well as in Hindi PDF for the current affairs that will brush up your current affairs very much. Apart from this, we provide you with the topic wise current affairs, topics such as apps and web portals, important days, books and authors. Then comes your sports, then comes your obituary, national affairs, international affairs, sports. These all topics are covered by us on our YouTube channel, which you can go and check it out also. Very important this section, because we provide you with the PDFs also with them that helps you to revise through a particular order, and it is very helpful to you, so you should definitely check it out. Then apart from it, we provide you questions regarding your particular exams also, such as bank, related to your banking. We provide you questions, we provide you PDF, we provide you material that will help you to revise those topics, those important topics. So very important. All right, so I definitely recommend you to check our app and do revise and to purchase the courses, because they will be very helpful to you. These, I strongly recommend you to use our app as well as website, and the quiz provided on the app is very helpful to you on the daily basis, and our monthly study material for your exams will do wonders. So do watch the video for the revision purposes, they are very helpful. And if you use my code Vikas10, straight away you will be getting an additional 10% discount on the purchase you made using the application. So additional discount for you students just from my side. It is a happy hour sale, you can say, 10% discount using Vikas10. So friends, let's start with the session now. So friends, let's start. First is your 1st of November. On 1st of November, we observe World Vegan Day. What are vegan? Vegan is a person, or you can say we are following the vegan diet. So basically, vegan refers to all the plant related food items. Alright, that is, it should not be related to any animal, such as milk is we get milk from cows, so milk will not come in your vegan diet. That means everything that is related to plant, the food that is related to plant, are known as vegan. So World Vegan Day is observed on 1st of November. Sometimes we say we are following the vegan diet, that means we are not consuming anything that we get from animals, be it eggs or milk also. 2nd of November. On 2nd of November, we observe Ayurveda Day, important market. Ayurveda Day. Also, you should know that World Yogasana Championship will be conducted by which country? for the first time it will be hosted by India, World Yogasana Championship. Then Ayurveda Day on 2nd of November. The 5th Ayurveda Day was celebrated on 13th of November, and the theme of this 2021 Ayurveda Day is Ayurveda for Poshan. That means this is the 6th edition of Ayurveda Day and the theme is Ayurveda for Poshan market. Next is your World Tsunami Day. World Tsunami Awareness Day. It is observed on 5th of November. 5th of November we observe World Tsunami Awareness Day. Next is your 6th International One Health Day. That means this is the 6th edition of the One Health Day that is observed on 3rd of November. And what is the theme? The theme is connecting human, animal and environmental health. When we can protect one, we help protect all. I repeat, connecting human, animal and environmental health. When we protect one, we can help or we can protect all. This is the theme for the One Health Day that is observed on 3rd of November, and this is the 6th International One Health Day that is observed on 3rd of November. Next we'll be talking about National Cancer Awareness Day that is observed on 7th of November. Mark this important. National Cancer Awareness Day, it is observed on 7th of November. And remember, this pink ribbon is the motto of the National Cancer Awareness Day. World Urbanization Day. When we observe World Urbanization Day on 8th of November, we observe World Urbanization Day. This day, that is World Urbanization Day, is also known as World Town Planning Day. I repeat, World Town Planning Day is also known as your World Tourism Day, so vice versa. This day is observed on 8th of November. The celebration of World Urbanization Day is promoted by International Society of City and Regional Planners. Next is your International Day of Radiology that is also observed on 8th of November. Important, mark this. International Day of Radiology on 8th of November. This was the 10th International Day of Radiology that was observed on 8th November 2021 by radiologists, radiographers, radiological technologists and professionals from the related fields with the motto Interventional Radiology, Active Care for the Patients. Next come your 7th of November. On 7th of November, we observe C.V. Raman birth anniversary. Mark this, very important. Chandrasekhar Venkata Ramanji's anniversary, who was Indian scientist or Indian physicist, well known for the discovery of scattering of light, was observed on 7th of November. Alright, and this discovery of light, that is the scattering of light, was discovered and named Raman effect also, that was named after C.V. Ramanji. Next comes your World Urbanization Day. Same, we have done this, it is repeated on 8th of November. Next comes your National Legal Services Day that is observed on 9th of November. Mark this. National Legal Services Day is observed on 9th of November. Next is your World Science Day. When do we observe World Science Day? It is observed on 10th of November with the theme Building Climate Ready Communities. Mark this. This is the theme for the World Science Day, that is Building Climate Ready Communities, that is observed on 10th of November, World Science Day for Peace and Development for the year 2021. Same thing here. World Science Day for Peace and Development on 10th of November. This was the 20th edition with the theme Building Climate Ready Communities. Next is your International Week of Science and Peace 2021. It is observed between 8th to 14th of November. I repeat, International Week of Science and Peace for the year 2021. It is observed on 8th of November to 14th of November. Next is your National Education Day. National Education Day is observed on 11th of November 2021. Very important, mark this. In whose memory or in whose birth anniversary mark as the National Education Day on 11th of November? It is the birth anniversary of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad ji, whose birth anniversary is observed as National Education Day on 11th of November. The first Education Minister of Independent India. The day is celebrated for his contributions toward education and to create awareness in education. If we talk about Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, he was born on 11th of November 1888 in Mecca, Saudi Arabia, and later relocated to Calcutta, India in the year 1890 and died in 1958. He was awarded Bharat Ratna posthumously in 1992. That means after his death, he received Bharat Ratna. Remember, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad was the first education minister of our independent India. Mark this, very important. And on 11th of November, on his birth anniversary, we observe the National Education Day. Next is your World Quality Day, that is observed on 11th of November with the theme Sustainability, Improving Our Products, People and Planet. I repeat, World Quality Day. It is observed on 11th of November with the theme Sustainability, Improving Our Product, People and Planet. So, World Quality Day on second Thursday of November. That means this time it was on 11th November, that was World Quality Day, that is observed on second Thursday of November, and the theme was Sustainability, Improving Our Products, People and Planet. World Quality Week 2021 observed between 8th to 12th of November. Mark this, very important. Alright, that means it is saying that if we are talking about day, it is observed on 11th of November, and if we are talking about World Quality Week, it was observed from 8th to 12th of November. Next is your World Usability Day. It is observed on 11th of November with the theme Design of Our Online World, Trust, Ethics and Integrity. World Usability, also known as Makes Things Easier Day, that is observed on second Thursday of November. This time it was on 11th of November with the theme Desire Our Online World, Trust, Ethics and Integrity. Next is your World Kindness Day, that is observed on 13th of November. Mark this, World Kindness, for all those kind people. Next comes your World Diabetes Day, observed from 14th of November, theme being Access to Diabetic Care. I repeat, Access to Diabetes Care is the theme for the World Diabetes Day, that is observed on 14th of November. Next is your Children's Day. As you can see here, Chacha Nehru, we say on the birth anniversary of Chacha Nehru, we observe the Children's Day, that comes on 14th of November. So, who is also known as Chacha Nehru? He is Jawaharlal Nehru, or you can say on Prime Minister, India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru ji's birthday, we observe Children's Day or Bal Divas, that is on 14th of November. Important, mark this. He was also known as Chacha Nehru. Next is your Janjatiya Divas. Janjatiya Gaurav Divas is observed on 15th of November. Mark this. Janjatiya Gaurav Divas, it is observed on 15th of November. Next comes your National Newborn Week, that is observed from 15th to 21st of November. National Newborn Week between 15th to 21st of November with the theme Safety, Quality and Nurturing Case Birthright of Every Newborn. I repeat, Safety, Quality and Nurturing Case Birthright of Every Newborn is the theme for the National Newborn Week, that is observed between 15th to 21st of November. Next is your 16th of November. On 16th of November, we observe International Day of Tolerance. I repeat, International Day of Tolerance is observed from 16th of November. That means it is observed on 16th of November. Next comes your National Press Day. That is also observed on 16th of November. Mark this. This is related to your journalism. So, National Press Day is observed on 16th of November. Next is your First Audit Divas. On 16th of November, again, First Audit Divas, National Press Day and International Day of Tolerance. These days are observed on 16th of November. Then comes your 18th of November, Naturopathy Day. That means living in the nature basically. So Naturopathy Day is observed on 18th of November. Next comes your World Philosophy Day. It is also observed on 18th of November. Mark this, World Philosophy Day. Next comes your World Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease Day, that is observed on 17th of December or November. Also World COPD, World Chronic Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease Day is observed on 17th of November with the theme Healthy Lungs Never Meant or Never More Important. I repeat, Healthy Lungs Never More Important is the theme for the World Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease Day. Remember, this day is observed on 3rd Wednesday of November every year, and this time it was on 17th of November. Next is your World Heritage Week. World Heritage Week is observed from 19 to 25th of November. Mark this important. World Heritage Week 19 to 25th of November. Next comes your Women's Entrepreneurship Day. Mark this. This is for women. Alright. So Women's Entrepreneurship Day is observed from it is observed on 19th of November. This is World Entrepreneurship Day 19th of November. Mark this important. Next comes your National Integration Day. This day is observed on 19th of November. Another important day. Mark this. National Integration Day. Next comes your National Men's Day. Another important. When is your National Men's Day observed? On 19th of November, and the theme being better relations between men and women. This is the theme of the National Men's Day or International Men's Day, not National Men's Day. Remember, it is International Men's Day. Next comes your Communal Harmony Campaign Week. Communal Harmony Campaign Week is between 19 to 25th of November. World Children's Day on 20th of November with the theme A Better Future for Every Child. Mark this. Important. World Children's Day on 20th of November with the theme Better Future for Every Children. Next is your 2021's Africa Industrialization Day on 20th of November. Then comes your Avas Divas, that is observed on 20th of November. We also made a video on this. You can check our channel for that same. So Avas Divas, that is observed on 20th of November. Next comes your World Antimicrobial Awareness Week. I repeat, National Antimicrobial Awareness Week. It is observed from 18 to 24th of November with the theme Spread Awareness, Stop Resistance. Important, mark this. National or World Antimicrobial Awareness Week. It is observed from 18 to 24th of November with the theme Spread Awareness, Stop Resistance. As in the wake of Corona, this can be important. Though Corona is not a virus, Corona is not a bacteria, Corona is a virus. Question can be asked. Alright, it is a virus, not a bacteria. And what is the name of the new bacteria that is spreading everywhere? It is Omicron. And it was first spotted in South Africa, and this Omicron is a Greek word from which they are known, just like pi, then comes your xi, then it is your alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and so on. Next is your World Fisheries Day. It is observed on 21st of November, World Fisheries Day. Then is your World Television Day. World Television Day is observed on 21st of November. Next comes your World Day of Remembrance for Road Traffic Victims. I repeat, World Day of Remembrance for Traffic Victims. It is observed on 21st of November. I repeat, World Day of Remembrance for Road Traffic Victims observed on 21st of November. Next comes your National Milk Day. Very important, mark this. Who is known as the father of White Revolution? He is Dr. Verghese Kurien, as White Revolution is related to milk. Alright, and on 26th of November, that is the birth anniversary of Dr. Verghese Kurien, we observe National Milk Day on 26th of November. Next is your Constitution Day. Another important, mark this. On 26th of November, we observe National Constitution Day, and this is very important. And on 26th November only, we observe National Milk Day, that is related to your Milk Revolution or White Revolution. National Constitution, also known as your Samvidhan Divas, that was, you can say, this day is celebrated as India on 26th November started to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India by the Constitution Assembly on India on 26th November 1949. Alright. Constitution came into effect on 26th of January 1950, but it was ready and completed, or it was adopted on 26th of November 1949, and this is the 72nd anniversary. If we are talking about the Independence anniversary, it is 75th anniversary in 2021 of India. Next comes your National Organ Donation Day. National Organ Donation Day is observed on 27th of November. Mark this important. National Organ Donation Day on 27th of November. Then comes your 73rd National Cadet Corps Raising Day. 73rd National Cadet Corps Raising Day is observed on 28th of November with the theme National Cadet Corps Day. Alright, this is important. Mark it. There is no theme for this day. Just the question can be asked that when was 73rd National Cadet Corps Raising Day or 73rd NCC Day observed? It was observed on 28th of November. Apart from this, also remember that this NCC Raising Day is observed on the 4th Sunday of November, and this year in 2021 it was on 28th of November, and it was a 73rd edition of the NCC Raising Day.
Hello friends, through our recent General Affairs section analysis, we have identified that the news related to mega events is finding more weightage in the competitive exams. In order to cover related news to mega events such as Olympics, national awards, cabinet appointments, all of which contain heavy information, we have chosen a different way to convey that information using interactive infographics. Here is an example of interactive infographics. Using this, you can choose to study various information just from the single PDF. If you want to talk about the medal tally of Tokyo Olympic Games, just by clicking on the image of medals, you will be able to see the information related to medals. Now, if you want to study about any of the players mentioned here, just by clicking on the image of that particular player, you will be getting the information related to that particular player.
Now, you will be provided with two types of PDFs. One is your desktop version and second is your mobile version. As the name suggests, desktop version is for both PCs, laptops, and your mobile version is basically for the mobile phones and tablets. In order to use your desktop version in mobile phone, you can use the software of WAPS application in your Google Play, and you can access the desktop version of the file in the phones also. So friends, this format of presentation will help you to remember all the valuable information in an easy manner by connecting information to the related images. Our team has worked immensely hard to bring this to you, and so please do share your valuable suggestions and feedback through comments, as it will boost us to create further such initiatives. Thank you.
तो फ्रेंड्स, ये थी हमारी वीडियो. अगर आपको आज हमारी वीडियो से कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिला है तो जल्दी से जाइए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दें. और फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हमारे कंटेंट से रिलेटेड या फिर हमारी कोई ऐप से इशू आ रहा है, कोई भी आपको प्रॉब्लम है, तो आप हमारी जीमेल आईडी जो कि है support@affairscloud.com या फिर हमारा नंबर 9677333862 पर कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं, एंड हमारी टीम जल्दी से जल्दी आपके इशू को रिजॉल्व करने में आपकी सहायता करेगी. सो टेक केयर.